How to fix Black Myth. Wukong couldn't start error. Fix CreateProcess. Return 2E4 on PC. Stack now. 1. Restart your PC. Close Black Myth Wukong completely. Restart your computer normally. Launch the game again afterward. 2. Run the game as administrator. Right-click the game shortcut or .exe file. Select Run as Administrator. Also run Steam/Epic Games Launcher as administrator. 3. Verify game files. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Go to Black Myth, Wukong Properties. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. #4. Install DirectX Runtime. Download and install latest DirectX Runtime. Make sure DirectX 12.11 components are installed. Restart your PC afterward. 5. Reinstall Microsoft Visual C++. Install Visual C++ 2015-2022 redistributables. Install both x64 and x86 versions. Restart your PC after installation drivers. Install latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPU drivers. Use clean installation option if available. Restart your PC after updating. 7. Disable antivirus and Windows security temporarily. Turn off third-party antivirus temporarily. Allow Black Myth Wukong through Windows security. Relaunch the game afterward. #8. Delete corrupted cache files. Press Windows R, type tent local app data %, and press enter. Delete Black Myth Wukong cache config files carefully. #9. Disable overlays and background apps. Disable Discord overlay and Xbox Game Bar. Close MSI Afterburner, OBS, and RGB software. Stop unnecessary startup applications. 10. Reinstall the game if issue continues. Uninstall Black Myth Wukong completely. Delete leftover game cache files manually. Install a fresh copy of the game again.